Hey everyone, if you want to add team members in Miro in 2026, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you how to invite people and collaborate with your team step by step. First, adding team members allows you to collaborate in real time, share ideas, and manage projects more efficiently. Start by logging into Miro and opening the board or workspace where you want to add members. Click the Share button located in the top right corner of the screen. Enter the email addresses of the people you want to invite to your board or workspace. Choose the right access level for each person: viewer, commenter, or editor. After setting permissions, click Send to invite your team members. Team members will receive an email invitation. Once they accept, they can access the board immediately. You can always update or remove access by going back to the Share settings. For better security, only give editing access to people who need to make changes. A common mistake is giving everyone full editing access, which can lead to unwanted changes. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add team members in Miro in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.